Came through there and way over there, that's the beach I was just at. So I came through this area. Look at this nice little waterfall. That's not it. There's, you know, more rocks, and another waterfall thing. I like this little hidden trail. Oh, I don't know if it, oh, and there's a second lookout. Wow. Why not? Why not, even though I've seen it already? Ah, yeah. Can never gets old. Never gets old. I see. I don't think I can go that way. Screw it. I'm gonna go that way. Get a little wet. Wow. Oh, the bugs. Oh, fuck. There's so many bugs. Okay. This leads absolutely nowhere, but these are massive boulders. Wait. We might have something here. I have to make the big leap of faith. Didn't even have to leap. Yeah, now I'm just in the middle of nowhere. Huh. All right, that's all. On to little cove or whatever.